Okay, so let's check out this question. So here we're given a table. We have x and g of x, and then it says the table shows three values of x and their corresponding values of g of x, where g of x is equal to f of x over x plus 3, and f is a linear function. What is the y-intercept? So y-intercept, remember that's where x is always equal to 0 of the graph of y equals f of x in the xy plane. Okay, so here I need to use the information in the table to help derive my equation. So let's do that. For example, here, the first coordinate, -27 and 3, will go to the formula provided, which was g of x equals f of x over x plus 3. My g of x, it's going to be the 3, so I'll plug that in. Then my x value, it's -27. And then I'm going to put all of that over -27 plus 3. Okay. And then that will simplify to basically, well, let's put all the steps. So 3 f of -27 over -24. Now I'll move the -24 and multiply by 3, which is -72. So basically I have a -72 is equal to f of -27. Okay, so we'll take a look at that at the end, but that's one of our values. Then I'm going to do the same with the second coordinate on the table. So I have g of x is equal to f of x over x plus 3. And then my g of x here, it's 0. Then I have f of -9, and then -9 plus 3. That simplifies to -6, and then 0. So basically, I'm left with 0 is equal to f of -9. Okay. And then finally, the third coordinate, I'm running out of room, so I'm going to put this up here. Remember, formula is g of x over f of x, x plus 3, put in the 5, is equal to f of 21 over 21 plus 3. That will be f is equal to f 21 over 24. 24 times 5 is 120 is equal to f of 2. Okay, so now I have all these points or coordinates. So I've actually kind of written them in reverse, but f of 2, just imagine like this is f of x. So this is my x coordinate, this is the y output. So here, my corresponding coordinates for all of these. So for 1, this would be -27, -72. For here, oops, that would be f of -9, but that would be, my x value would be -9, and then this would be 0. So it's the same on this table. And then up here, it would be 2, oops, look at me making errors, f of 21. So that would be 21 and 120. Okay, so now I have all these three coordinates. So my next step, I'm told that it's a linear function, so I can do that this is y equals mx plus b. I want to find the slope, so I can do that by taking any of the two coordinates. So let's do that. I'll take the first two. Let's do these two. This one and this one. So remember, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm just going to do, well, -72 minus 0 and -27 minus -9. Careful, because this becomes positive here. So basically I have -72 over -27 plus 9, which should be 18. And -72 divided by -18, it is +4. So I know that that's the m value. So I have y equals 4x plus b. And then my final point that I need to do Remember the y-intercept it's asking for? What is the y-intercept of the graph? Y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So first I should also just take another coordinate and plug it in to get the b value. So let's find the b value. I'll just use this coordinate here because they're nice and low. So this would be 0, 4 times -9, plus b, 0 is equal to -36, plus b, so b is equal to 36. So my final equation is y equals 4x plus 36. Remember, y-intercept is the b value, and when x is equal to 0, and that correlates directly to 0.36. So that was a great one. Amazing. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next DSAT drop video.